So we use Prism for all our accounting and for our reporting, and I find it an incredibly useful tool. It's slick and user-friendly, and it's very, very stable. It doesn't have any bugs in it, and I find it a real help and a good addition to our stable. We're working in the future towards using it to actually manage the stable as well, and I think the Prism team are working hard at developing that. And I see it in the future one day as being our one-stop shop, if you like, for everything we need in the office and in the stable in terms of our use of technology. I'll tell you the other good thing about the great thing about Prism is they have a very, very good support team. You can very easily ask a question or report a problem, and they get back to you very, very quickly. They're terrifically efficient and very helpful, and I think that's a real credit to them.
This is brutal power wrapped in an elegant machine.